Good morning once again. Welcome to my channel. Last time we looked at how to determine the ground state term for a D2 atomic orbital. Today I want us to look at how to determine the ground state term for a D1 orbital. So as usual, we have to write down the angular orbital quantum number, which is represented by L, and for D orbital it is 2. Then we write down the magnetic quantum number, which is represented by ML. The magnetic quantum number begins from plus L, 0, and negative L. Because we have the L to be 2, so we begin from plus 2, plus 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2. Then we write down the spin quantum number. Each electron can spin upwards, which we represent by plus half, or can spin downwards, which we represent by negative half. Now we write down the orbital. So let me use a different color here. We know the d orbital is a degenerate orbital. So 5 orbitals. Sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we write down the magnetic quantum number of each orbital. Since we are dealing with a D1, meaning we have only one electron, so we fill the orbitals with only one electron. So we put a 1 electron here. Then we calculate the total orbital magnetic quantum number, which is represented by capital M and L. So we can get the total orbital magnetic quantum number by adding the magnetic quantum number of the orbital that contains an electron. Since only this orbital has an electron, it has only one electron, so the total magnetic quantum number is 2. Then we determine the total spin quantum number. The electron can spin either upwards or downwards. Upwards represented by plus half, downwards by negative half. Since we have only one electron and it is spinning upwards, we write the total spin quantum number to be half. So the next thing is to determine the spin multiplicity, which is 2s plus 1, where the s represents the total spin quantum number. So we have 2 half plus 1. 2 cancels 2, we have 1 plus 1, which is 2. Therefore, since we have the total orbital magnetic quantum number to be 2, from the previous video, we know that if you have it to be 0, it is an S term. If it is 1, then it is a P. If it is 2, then it is a D term. So since we have it to be 2, our term is a D term. And we have the spin multiplicity to be 2. So we write that one here. So the ground state term for a D1 atomic orbital is 2D. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share this video for more videos in the subsequent days. Thank you.